Alright, what we have here today is the Life Gear 32-piece survival gear and essentials. Or first aid and survival adventure essentials. But since me standing here holding a tin with 32 pieces of stuff in it would be boring, let's go ahead and store it down on the table and let's see what's inside of her, and then I'll tell you what I think about it. So, jump cut. Alright, so first things first, I gotta get a knife out. Now, there's knives all over the table, but I got one in my pocket. So let's go ahead and let's get her open. Let's get the little condom off the thing, and let's see what's inside of her. And let's see what I think. So, pretty easy just to open the damn thing. You just take the thing off. I was kind of hoping it didn't just go boom, open when I did that, which is probably a good thing. But this is primarily a survival kit, not a survival kit, a first aid kit with survival stuff in it. And the first thing you see right here is you have really lame, I always thought the fire striker was going to be one of those little ones that's basically just like a little spinny wheel with a fire lighter on it, that's like a lighter, but it doesn't have the lighter attachment to it. But let's see here. This thing's tiny. God damn it. Give me my Bowie knife. Oh, holy shit. I just about burned my studio down. Yeah, that works. Yeah, that works just fine, especially if you use a knife with it. Not with the included little striker thing. So that's already a point against it. I mean, I guess I could have probably struck it with my pocket knife. But that was a pretty significant little chunklet that I got off there with the Bowie knife. You got your first aid kit, which takes up the majority of your thing, with your antiseptic wipes. It's got Band-Aids in it. It's got little gauze pouches in it. Not the kind of stuff that I'm really super interested in, but it does have antiseptic wipes. It's got, I think it's got some aspirin in it too, if I remember right. No, it's got triple antibiotic ointment. Sorry if I'm seeming a little off here. Yeah, drug facts, antiseptic wipe. It does not appear to have like a little freaking ibuprofen or Tylenol in it or anything. But it does have some first aid stuff in it. What is this? The sterile gauze swab. I know you can't really see it because the camera doesn't focus very good. It's got a piece of scrap metal. Now, if anybody knows anything about me, I say that about every single time I see one of these things. One of these cheap little saber cards. They could have easily put a pocket knife in here, or like a little box cutter, like one of those little mini box cutters. Is it sharp? No. It feels like it should be sharp, but it's not. It's got a bottle opener. It's got a saw on it that you're not going to be able to saw anything with. It's just a piece of scrap metal. I'm not even going to look at the little card in here that says what all of its little uses are. If anybody can prove me wrong on a saber card, I would love to see it. But for the most part, they are garbage. You got some tape with so you can tape your gauze patches on or whatnot. That could come in useful for many different things. You have a bunch of safety pins. You have 10 of them, in fact. Now, these are a little bit bigger than what I'd like to have in there, but you never know what you could use for safety pins. So, that's a thing. And you have a compass. My question is, does it work? Let's see. I'm facing north right now. It is sort of facing north. It wants to... Okay, my house is a little weird because I have a bunch of magnets in my house, like whatchamacallits, like computer hard drive magnets. And for the longest time, even down here, my compass wouldn't work because it'd want to point towards my garage because I had a stack of them about this, probably a good probably over a foot tall of them, from picking up random computers and crap out in the middle of nowhere. That's not really important, but the compass on here kind of works. I wish they'd have put a little higher quality one in there. The little ferro rod might be small, but it does work. But it doesn't work with the little freaking thing that it comes with. Let's see, can I... Yeah, it doesn't work with this thing. I mean, it might work if I go the other way. So you're going to want a pocket knife with that. But, all in all, what do I think about this kit? It'd be a good supplement to a properly done-up kit. I mean, you're not going to survive with just this. And, oh, I forgot about something. I forgot something. I didn't blow your eardrums out yet. Made in China. Who would have thought? Holy shit, that is louder than I thought it was going to be. But yeah, you got yourself a whistle, you got your tape, you got your safety pins, you got your scrap metal, you got your gauze patch, you got your crappy compass. All for around $10. Now, if you go to Dorsey's website, just Dorsey owns Life Gear, This stuff costs more on their website than it did for me to buy it at the store, which I bought it at my local Army Navy store. So that's a thing. But anyhow, if you liked what you've seen here, or you have any idea of what they could have did better in this kit, like such as, I don't know, put a lighter in there and replace that saber card with a little box cutter, let me know.